Today I'm going to show you how to add document properties in LibreOffice Writer step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want to organize your files better, make them easier to search, and add important metadata like title, subject, keywords, and comments. Whether you're creating a new document or updating an existing one, this takes just a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document if you want to start a new file. If you already have a document saved, you can open that instead. The process works the same either way, so you can follow along no matter where you are starting from. After your document is open, go up to the top menu bar and click File. This menu contains a lot of important options for saving, exporting, and managing your document. From the File menu, click Properties. This is where LibreOffice stores the document's metadata, which is basically the information attached to the file behind the scenes. When the Properties window opens, you'll see several tabs, but the one you want is the Description tab. Click that tab to get to the section where you can enter your document details. Here, you can add a title for the file, a subject to describe what it's about, keywords to help with searching, and comments if you want to leave extra notes. These details can be really helpful if you're working with a lot of files, especially when you want to find documents quickly later on. For example, you might enter a title that matches your project name, a subject like monthly report or lesson plan, and keywords such as office, writing, or template. The more accurate your properties are, the easier it becomes to organize your documents and locate them when you need them. This is especially useful in work, school, and team environments where document management matters. Once you've filled in the information you want, click OK to save the changes. LibreOffice will attach those properties to the document file, and your document properties will now be saved with it. That means the next time you open the file, the metadata will still be there. And that's it. You've successfully added document properties in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your documents organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.